Today we're looking at this external hard drive from ADATA. Not only does it come in a green box, it's also apparently eco-friendly. In a world with a growing demand for external storage solutions, ADATA has constantly delivered high-speed and high-performance products. The ADATA HC300 Eco external hard drive is no exception, further enriching their extensive portfolio. At first glance, the HC300 Eco packaging is distinctive with a dominant white and green colour palette. The central product image is a welcome sight, while the proclamation of recycled plastic showcases ADATA's eco-conscious initiatives. However, the information on the back of the box, while valuable, could benefit from a larger font for clarity. A QR code swiftly redirects users to a comprehensive mobile-friendly product page and manual. Upon opening, the hard drive is securely nestled within cardboard packaging. One can't help but notice, though, that not so eco-friendly single-use plastic stuck to the drive, which unfortunately lacks any recycling symbols, a puzzling oversight given ADATA's eco-friendly marketing. Accompanying the drive is a multilingual manual and a somewhat less used these days USB-free micro Type B to USB Type A cable measuring 30 centimeters. The lack of a USB Type-C connection on the actual device or on the actual cable so you can plug it into a newer device is a little bit inconvenient for those with newer USB-C only devices. Apart from this connectivity choice, the drive features a practical LED light that indicates activity. The drive does actually come with free software you can download called Backup to Go, which will allow you to back up your device with ease. While one shouldn't anticipate SSD-like speeds from this hard drive, our test showed commendable consistency. The drive clocked around 150 megabytes per second for both read and write in both of our testing suites. A continuous 48-hour read and write test was conducted with no issues. However, the drive did exhibit a bit of warmth, but then again that's typical of storage drives under extended use. The ADATA HC300 Eco external hard drive is a competent entrant in the external storage market, further highlighted by its eco-friendly branding. However, to truly stand out, ADATA may want to reconsider elements like its packaging choices and connector options, by trimming down unnecessary paper as well as getting rid of that single-use plastic, which is a bit strange considering they're promoting a product using recycled plastic. All in all, it's a step in the right direction, and with a few refinements, ADATA could solidify its position as a front-runner in eco-conscious tech solutions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.